First John
First John
chapter 3
chapter 3
4 to 12.
4 to 12.
Everyone
Everyone
who makes a
who makes
practice
a practice
of sinning also
sinning also
practices lawlessness.
practices lawlessness.
Sin is
Sin is
lawlessness.
lawlessness.
You know that
You know that
he appeared
he appeared
to take away sins,
to take away sins,
and in him
and in him
there is no sin.
there is no sin.
No one
No one
who abides in
who
him
abides in him
keeps on
keeps on
sinning.
sinning.
No one
No one
who keeps on
who
sinning
keeps on sinning
has either
has
seen him
seen him
or known him.
and known him.
Little children,
Little children,
let no one deceive
let
you.
no one deceive you.
Whoever practices
Whoever practices
righteousness
righteousness
is righteous,
is righteous,
as he is righteous.
as he is righteous.
Whoever makes a practice
Whoever makes a practice
of sinning
of sinning
is of the devil.
is of the devil.
For the devil has been sinning
For the devil has been sinning
from the beginning.
from the beginning.
The reason
The reason
the Son of God appeared
the Son of God appeared
was to
was to
destroy
destroy
the works of the devil.
the works of the devil.
No one born
No one born
of God makes
of God makes
a practice of
a
sinning.
practice of sinning.
For God's seed
For God's seed
abides in him,
abides in him,
and he cannot keep on
and he cannot keep on
sinning
sinning
because
because
he has been
he has been
born of God.
born of God.
By this
By this,
it is evident
it is evident
who are the children of God
who are the children of God
and who are the children of
and who are the children of
the devil.
the devil.
Whoever does not
Whoever
practice
does not practice
righteousness
righteousness
is not of
is
God,
not of God,
nor
nor
is the one
is the one
who does not
who
love
does
his
not
brother.
love his brother.
For this is the
For
message
this is the message
that you have heard
that you have heard
from the beginning,
from the beginning,
that we should love
that we should love
one another.
one another.
We should not
We
be
should not be
like Cain,
like Cain,
who was
who was
of the evil one
the evil one
and murdered his brother.
and murdered his brother.
And why did he murder him?
And why did he murder him?
Because
Because
his own deeds
his own deeds
were evil,
were evil,
and his brothers
and his brothers
righteous.
righteous.